Gusto mo bang maging successful? Kung gusto mong maging successful, pareho tayo. Gusto ko rin maging successful. Kaya nga ako, nanonood ako ng mga videos and nakikinig ako ng mga audiobooks kung paano maging successful. So, isi-share ko sa iyo yung mga napakinggan kong audiobooks, napanood kong videos, and yung mga nabasa ko on how to be successful. So, part of it. Kaya wag mong kalimutang i-like, share, and subscribe sa video na ito para mas ma-notify ka sa mga susunod ko pang videos. So, ito na. Pero bago ang lahat, please, ilalagay ko yung link dito kung paano ka matutong mag-invest sa Philippine Stock Market. At meron akong free ebook and free webinar. So, ilalagay ko yung link dito. Pero, kung magko-comment ka ng learn more sa video na ito, send ko sa iyo personally yung link ng registration at registration ng webinar at sa free ebook para mas ma-notify ka. Okay? So, eto na. Panoorin mo yung ginawa kong video para yung maging successful tayo. So, lahat tayo gustong maging successful. Ang pagiging successful ay may kanya-kanyang steps, di ba? May process yan. Hindi yan overnight magiging successful tayo. So, it's just a matter of thinking of your vision or your goal, and you have to plan for it, and you have to do it. You have to do it. And if the first plan fails, then try the second plan. If the second plan fails, try the third plan, and so on. It's just a matter of never giving up. Okay? So, panoorin mo na ang video na ito para mas lalo tayong matuto pa on how to become successful.
5 things that happened today that I am grateful for. Hi, my name is Cynthia Fuller and I'm the founder of TheFullerMind.com. Kung hindi ka pa po nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe and click mo na rin po yung notification bell para laging updated sa mga bagong videos ko. Ang topic ko for this video is about yung mga natututunan ko just recently. Malaki yung naitulong sa akin at yung impact ba nung pinapakinggan kong mga lessons or videos ngayon. Also, may na-avail akong course about na ang topic dun sa course is self-awareness. And this year also, nag-start ako makinig sa YouTube channel. Nag-search lang ako ng mga videos about personality development, motivation, inspiration, coming from the successful people. So, ang una ko napakinggan is si Oprah Winfrey, yung mga talk niya. And may mga natutunan ako sa kanya. So, ang isang natutunan ko na sabi ni Oprah, you have to, ito yung sinabi niya. Sabi niya, magsulat ng 5 things that happened today that I am grateful for. So, ang ginawa ko, one thing na lang. One thing that happened today that I am grateful for. And meron din ako napapakinggan ng mga ibang successful people. They also recommend to have a journal. So for me, it's a book. It's a notebook, small notebook that you also have to write down one thing. Kahit one thing na grateful ka for the day. So I started it in January 2021, and ngayon hanggang meron ako. So I will just share at least few ng mga naisulat. I want to, kasi magandang balikan nga natin siya. Grateful ka for what happened to you. So like, noong January 22, 2022, I learned the piano, how to play the piano. Pero keyboard yung sound. Imagine ni John Lennon. So, inaral ko siyang tutuloy. Hindi nakasulat dito. February 17, bonding with my kids at night before going to bed. This bonding kasi is teaching them something, mga 15 minutes per night. It's either magbabasa sila, magsusulat, mag-drawing, anything na pwede kong ituro, or mag-compute ng math, simple math na pambata. And dito, nakalagay February 22, listen to Jim Rohn's online seminar sa YouTube channel. Nakalagay dito March 5, natapos ko yung pakinggan yung audiobook ng Think and Grow Rich for the second time. And March 6, played piano with my daughter sa keyboard pa din. Wala kami grand piano. Yun. So, I do it since January 1, 2022. Up to date. So, I have this. And this is the book of Think and Grow Rich na maganda siyang basahin. Because it doesn't only talk about money. It talks about personality development and yung process ba of being successful. Sinasabi dito that there is really a process. It's not just about money. So kasama na rin doon yung self-awareness, personality development. So, yung mga natutunan ko dito, sinusulat ko din dito on the first page, yung few first pages ng notebook mo. So, yung mga lessons ko, isusulat ko dito ulit. Because may steps dun may steps na gagawin ka. If you want to achieve something, there's a step. At ina-advise din doon, kasi dati hindi ako mahilig mag-post, more on writing ako. Hindi ako mahilig video, I don't know, it's vision board yon. Hindi ako mahilig sa vision board. So, i-implement ko siya kasi ina-advise din ng Think and Grow Rich na you should have pictures of your dream. Kung ano yung dream mo, dapat may picture ka related doon, malapit-lapit. So, i-implement ko siya, whatever maisulat kong instructions dito na galing sa Think and Grow Rich. I-implement ko siya unti-unti. And ang isang natutunan ko is isulat yung mga mag-retain sa utak mo mga quotes and then you read it every day. So since January 1, 2022, ito na yung mga para sa akin ay may impact na quotes coming from Oprah Winfrey, Jim Rohn, and dito sa book na ito. Not only is sila, meron pa din at madami pa akong napakinggan. Like, iba pa. So, ilan lang to, pero I have also here. Tapos, ang mga nakasulat dito na isulat ko yung may impact sa akin like, yung sinabi ni Jim Rohn, the major key to your better future is you. February 21, 2022 ko siya napakinggan. And, ito pa, sabi ni Oprah Winfrey, your legacy is every life you touch. Napakinggan ko siya February 12, 2022. May date. And sabi na book, galing dito napakinggan ko sa audiobook ng Think and Grow Rich, Quitter never wins and the winner never quits. January 16, 2022 ko siya napakinggan. So, ayan. You write and you read every day. Para yung mindset natin at yung positive thinking tayo. So, yun yung mga natutunan ko on personality development and self-awareness. So, unti-unti, susundin ko yung mga instructions na sasabihin dito. And, madami mga lessons actually na yung pagiging successful is not easy. It's a process. May process na talagang pagdadaanan. Part of the process, failures, mistakes, and meeting people na makakatulong sa'yo. You really have to change pala ikaw mismo or ako. And you have to accept your failure, your mistake first. You have to know your strength, your weakness. So part of the process. Better if you will read the book or listen also to Jim Rohn, listen to the audiobook, Oprah Winfrey. They are good speakers at madami kayong matututunan about personality development. Hindi lang yun kasi part siya of being successful. Part siya of being successful. You will understand paano sila naging successful. So, for now, yun lang yung naisip kong i-share ngayon kasi very helpful talaga yung writing at yung mga lessons na pinapakinggan natin o inaaral, hindi lang once, talaga dapat yan ulit-ulit hanggang matutunan. Lalo na depende pa sa knowledge mo yan. Kung slow learner ka ba, fast learner ka. Ako slow learner ko eh. So, kailangan ko talagang ulit-ulitin hanggang ma-absorb ko at matutunan. But that's why I write. I always write. Kasi hindi ko siya agad maalala. At iba kasi pag nakasulat. Okay? So, for now, yun lang muna yung aking na-share. Sana may konti kang napulot dito sa aking sharing sa ngayon na aking pinapakinggan ng videos. So, it's more on, more on personal development of self-awareness kasi doon pala talaga magsisimula ang pagiging successful mo, not just about money. So, about kailangan personal development kasama siya. So, ano pa ba? So, yun lang muna ang aking mga pwede i-share. At pag may natutunan pa ako or nabasa ang magandang books or i-share ko ulit para matutunan mo din.
Okay, that's the first part of the video. Ito naman yung second part. Itong second part na to, ito yung process na ginawa ko yung aking pagiging successful na ma-achieve yung goal ko. Kasi meron akong unang goal nung employed pa ako. So, meron akong steps na ginawa on how to become successful on that specific goal. Kasi di ba ang success naman ay iba-iba tayo ng definition ng success. For me, pag na-achieve ko yung isang goal ko, success na yon. And then pag na-achieve ko na naman yung isang goal, success na yon. Kumbaga, it's a ladder. Hindi tayo na-stop lang sa isa. It's a continual improvement and a process na mag-improve pa tayo. Okay, so panoorin mo na yung video na ito at para malaman mo yung mga steps na ginawa ko para ma-achieve ko yung first goal ko nung ako ay employed pa. Yung serious talaga na first goal ko nung employed pa ako. And that is, gusto ko kasi mag-retire sa aking full-time job because I want to focus on my family. So, paano ko na-achieve yun? Panoorin mo na ang video na ito.
Hi, my name is Cynthia Fuller and I'm the founder of TheFullerMind.com. Gusto kong magpasalamat kay Doc Lloyd dahil malaking naitulong niya sa akin. Ako po ay isa sa mga estudyante ni Doc Lloyd sa kanyang Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass at masasabi ko talagang si Doc Lloyd ay isang tunay at mabuting tao because alam niya kung gaano ako hirap sa digital business dahil zero knowledge ako. Totally hindi ko alam ang digital business. But because of his course na napaka-detailed at because of his passion to help people like me or like you, dahil I have the burning desire to fulfill my goal. And ang ginawa ko lang naman is every day, I consistently applied all the lessons na tinuro ni Doc Lloyd sa kanyang Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass. In-apply ko lang yon. And then with the coaching, of course, nagtatanong ako kay Doc Lloyd. So I was able to achieve my goal of retiring from my full-time job within just 2 years. Pero remember that package yun. Hindi lang yun dapat course ni Doc Lloyd. Dapat combination yun ng tao mismo na willing to learn and to apply all the lessons. I have the burning desire. I believe I can do it kahit mahirap. And I do it consistently every day. So I was able to retire from my full-time job within just 2 years of doing this business. And also, I am very happy because this year, unti-unti ko na nagagawa yung mga pangarap ko since bata pa ako. So one of those na gusto kong mangyari or gusto kong gawin is I want to play the piano. So I just implement the lesson or the principle na ginawa ko to achieve my goal of retiring from my full-time job. Na consistently every day dapat I learn the digital business. Ang schedule ko noon is madaling araw. So I apply the same thing in learning the piano. I just play the piano 1 to 2 hours a day, practice. I started it in January 1.
Okay, so salamat sa panunood ng 2 videos na aking ginawa. And kung gusto mo pang ma-notify sa mga videos na i-upload ko, huwag mong kalimutang i-like, share, and subscribe ang video na ito para mas ma-notify ka. At please, yung mga questions kasi nyo, makakatulong sa akin yan. So all you have to do is mag-comment ka ng mga tanong mo para makagawa ako ng video based doon sa tanong mo. At also, kung magko-comment ka ng learn more, is bibigay ko sa iyo personally yung link ng free ebook and free webinar para mas matuto ka pa on how to start investing in the Philippine stock market. Okay? And as much as possible, pipilitin ko makagawa ng videos sa para sa channel ko para matuto ka pa on how to start investing in the Philippine stock market. At hindi lang yon, mag-upload din ako ng mga videos na mga natututunan ko din kasi continuous din yung pag-aaral natin, pakikinig dahil ang hirap ng buhay ngayon, di ba? So we really need to strive and to learn more, to improve more para yung skills natin ma-develop so that hindi tayo mahirapan sa nangyayari sa buhay natin ngayon kasi medyo challenging yung panahon ngayon, di po ba? So we really need to create new skills and learn more and implement yung mga lessons na natutunan natin. So please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to give you the free copy of my ng ebook ko na The Fuller Method on how to start investing in the Philippine stock market, and also makaka-attend ka ng free webinar. Okay? So salamat, and I'll see you in my next video. This is Cynthia Fuller. Salamat. And also, meron akong free ebook and free webinar on how to start investing in the Philippine stock market. So, ilalagay ko yung link dito sa baba at sa description method para sa description para madali mong maklik. Okay? And pwede kang mag-comment ng learn more kasi pag nag-comment ka sa video na ito ng learn more ay